It's time for another Free Tip Friday. Different kind of free tip. I'm working on a Dodge Caravan. I can't remember the year, I'll put it in the description. It's got the big 3.6 liter. Came in with a customer complaint of a ticking noise in the engine. When I listened to it, I could clearly hear it at the very end of the oil pan bell housing of the transmission. Needless to say, they have a plug that goes right here. This is the bottom of the oil pan. I popped that little plastic plug out and the noise was really loud there. I made the call on a cracked flywheel. I was able to actually bar the engine over by hand and look up, and I saw what appeared to be small hairline cracks on the edge of the flex plate. Now, I bring you guys along for the big reveal. We're gonna zip it off here. Have a look at it, see if I was right or we're wrong. If I'm wrong, that's an expensive mistake on my part. Ta-da! Hooray, hooray. I was correct. Let me get a light here for you. And there we are. So this is plagued with the same problems as the 3.8. So it's cracked right there. And that crack follows all the way around and it's cracked out to right there. And then also is cracked around town right out to there. And also right down through here. So you guys remember the 3.8s, they'll crack the whole center out of the hub and then they'll turn and then they'll relock. Now those cars will create a no start because the crank sensor reads off the flywheel. On these ones it does not. It just evidently creates, whoa, a clicking sound in the engine, or an engine tap, I guess it would be. Sweet, what do you think, Mrs. O?
It stinks.
It stinks?
Yeah, it's weird. It stinks.
What's weird?
The smell.
Maybe I just farted.
I don't think so. It doesn't smell like something that...
You're smelling blue lactate. You're gonna smell my glove too.
Oh, gosh.
Yeah. You smell that, huh?
So gross.
Just give you a little dirty Sanchez with some blue lactate.
That was nasty.
Yeah, well, now you know what I go through out here every day in the trenches.
That doesn't bother you.
No.
But a little smelly candle, you're like, oh, my head! Or the vinegar that I clean with. You're like, oh, gosh, I can't stand it. Like,
vinegar.
You're in the trenches all the time. Why?
Because I'm more of like an acetone, like petroleum distillates, volatile chemicals, yeah. Yeah, if you had like some high VOC vinegar, I'm with you. That and your friggin' oily stuff. What's your stuff you hippies use?
Essential oils.
Essential oils. Be like, oh, I got a headache. Oh, let me rub some peppermint on you. You need some lavender and you'll be calm.
I need to get like a gallon of lavender. You're like, oh, you're all riled up.
Hit me with a paintbrush, baby. Oh, you need some frankincense and myrrh. I don't even know if myrrh. I think that's what they gave Jesus. Gold, frankincense, and frankincense is an oil. I do know that much. Because you probably got some. Anyhow, new flywheel all the way from Korea.
I gotta go get your children.
All right. All right, Juan. Good luck. Have fun.
Okay.
Chip, chop, chip.
Maybe.
Threaten me with a good time.
Put some stuff on my belt.
On your belt?
Yeah.
On your car?
Yeah.
Quit freaking around with your belt, woman.
As soon as it stops squeaking, it drives me crazy.
I got a brand new belt for what in the heck did these little Koreans put this thing together with? What, a caveman to get this thing apart. I think this whole video's gone to posh at this point. Anywho, that's all I really wanted to show you, folks. The cracked up flywheel causing the ticking noise in the engine. We've got the new replacement. Make sure you put it on in the right direction. You'll be really upset with yourself. That's it. Thanks for watching.